Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company, and I'm here with another week of savings challenges cash stuffing, and this is for March 29th, Friday, March 29th. So I'm a few days behind, but I am going to catch up very quickly. As usual, I've got £140 here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, all 10s. And if I need some change, I'll just have to get it. I'm going to start with my mini money binder. Let me just get my calculator just in case I might need it. Bring the money here. Okay, so let's see what I've got in here. I've got the Woodland Wonder. I've got the fruit salad. I've got Adventure Awaits. And I've got Sweet Treats, Sunflower Savings. The dandelion is complete. So is the piggy pounds complete. Let's see. The treasure trove is complete. And Daisy Dosh is complete. And Have a Heart is complete. That is excellent. Excellent. Good stuff. I love that. I'll just put these here so they'll stay in one place. So I know that those have been completed, and let's just work on these now. What was I putting in the Woodlands? £5 in the Woodlands. So I will do 10 today. So I'll put that there. And I didn't even get my colours. Let's get the colours out. Here, and I'll do that in red. I'll mark that off. I'll mark off 2 in red. Just give it a little wafty. How was your Easter bank holiday? Mine was good. I just chilled. Listened to podcasts, watched some YouTube. I watched some TV and chilled out. That's what I did. So I'll put this to one side because it's all going into one wallet. Right, the fruit salad. I'll do 10 for the fruit salad as well. Or shall I do 5? Let's have a look. Get some change out. See how many 5s I've got. I've got 5, 10, 15, 20. Great. 20. Right, I think I'm going to do 5 for this one because it's such a good little saver. I'll just take my time with it. I took long to say that, didn't I? There we go. That got 5. And another wafty. Yes, I hope your Easter was good. The weather's on and off. Don't know what's the matter with it, but just have to work with it. Now let's do the green for Adventure Awaits. That will get £5 as well. And let's do the campfire. Let's do the campfire. Yeah. I'll just colour all the way around it so I know. So that got its £5. And sweet treats will get £5 as well. Colour that one in. £5. So I've been enjoying myself watching YouTube videos, and even though I haven't been commenting, I've been watching your videos. Now the denominations here are 5, 3s and 2s, and I'm going to put £5 today. Yep, so that's that. Let me take some more out just in case. 5, 10, 15, 20, just in case I need some more 5s. And there we have it. That's all done. Okay, we'll put that to one side, and we've done £30 for the booklet today. It's all good. The Rubik Cube gets £10. Let's do this colour. £10. Okay. Rubik Cube. And the save £200 is going to get £10 as well. And I'll just colour in one, just mark it off, one letter. Each letter is £10. So that worked out well. Save £200. I'm not quite sure if I want to do a cash condensing at the moment. I'll have to see. I need a forest green. Let's have a look. The denominations on this one I have got left is 15, 20, 25, 30 or 35, and this one is save £400 on completion. I will finish the 15s. The I'll be saving is also different denominations: 15, 10s, 15s, 20, 25 and 30. I've done all the 10s and I started on the 15s. So we will do a 15 if there's any more left. Let's have a look. No, no more 15, so I will do a 20. Let's do 20. Is that one going? Let's have a look. That's 10, 20. And let's see on completion how much I'll be saving the money. £200. Let me see how much money I've got left and see if I can finish this one. That will be a good idea. Let's have a look. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. Let's see what I can do with this one then. Let's have a look. Let's do £10 for the fruit salad. £10 for the fruit salad. So our colouring, that looks like a pear. It might be, I'm not sure. It looks like a pear. And then that looks like blueberries. So that's 10 for that. And adventure awaits. We've got 2 more. Let's do the 2. That's 10 because they're £5 each. And I will just... Okay, that's completed. That's completed. Great. So wafty on that. Okay, let's do 10 and do 2 sweets. That's okay. And then the sunflower saving, these have got 50, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's do 10. Yeah, so that's 2 and 3 is 5. 2 and 3 is 5. That's 10. Yes, why not? Great. Let's do another wafty. And I've done the fruits. Let's do some woodland. Let's have a look. Do £10 for woodlands. So that's 2. Great. And we've got £5 rollover. I managed to stuff 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. £80 today. That's done. A wafty. I will just put the rollover for some other time, which is £5. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now.